My name is Aiden Prosmek, and this is my video assessment project. For solving equations with rational exponents, I got the equation -3 square root x plus 1 squared plus 2 equals -14. The first step in this equation is to subtract 2 from both sides, and that left me with -3 square root x plus 1 squared equals -16. The second step is to take both sides of the equation to the power of 3, and that gave me -x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals -4096. The third step is to solve for x, and I got x equals -65 and x equals 63. And the fourth and final step is to verify the solutions, and you do that by getting both equations, -14 and +14, and plugging them in and solving, and I got both of them were true. For cubic functions, I got x equals 3 over 2 x plus 3 to the power of 3 minus 4. And the inverse of that is fx equals 3 square root 2x plus 8 divided by 3 minus 3. For g, it has a vertical stretch of 3 over 2. It shifts left 3 units and shifts down 4 units. For g, the domain and range are all real numbers. The y-intercept is 0, 36.5, and the x-intercept is 1.613, and the point of inflection is -3, -4. For f, it has a vertical compression of 2 over 3. It shift left 4 units and shift down 3 units. For f, it's the same as g. It has the domain and range of all real numbers. The y-intercept is 0, 1.613, and the x-intercept is 36.50. And the point of inflection is -4 over -3, -4, -3, and they're both inverses because they both have an opposite y-intercept and x-intercept, and a point of inflection, which means that they're reverses of each other. Okay, thank you for listening.